The challenge of data aggregation stems from the fact that typically you have disparate data sources that you need to tie together in a meaningful way. And one of the approaches that MedInsight leverages is to our data confidence model. And that data confidence model helps to ensure that we have the ability to link the disparate data sources together in a meaningful way through referential integrity checks, ensuring that we have good, consistent data quality throughout our intake process. That starts with a rigorous data quality audit, well over 100 different tests that we perform against the data to ensure that the results are meaningful, that they are anticipated, and to identify areas where we might have potential gaps. The data confidence model also helps to automate our file intake process so that as we ingest files month over month, we can ensure that that data is credible, that it's similar to previous month's intake, and we can identify potentially any issues with the data well upstream of a refresh. So for example, if it's a duplicate file set, same record counts, same file sizes, we can raise that as a potential red flag for our clients to let them know that there might be an issue with your file set upload for this month. Other areas where we can identify changes in the actual format of the file. For example, maybe a new field was introduced, or maybe one is missing. So we can quickly identify issues before we have to go through the entire refresh process. For our new MedInsight clients, we typically take inventory of the different populations that they're looking to load into the environment, and take inventory of the disparate data sources potentially that we need to ingest. So part of that intake process is to ensure that we have referential integrity between the files so that we can create the appropriate relationships and to create meaningful outputs without creating issues with the process of joining that data together. As part of the output of MedInsight, the rigorous peer reviews, as I mentioned during the implementation process, also continue throughout the monthly support and refresh of our clients' MedInsight instance. That same set of team members that will take a look at the results of a monthly refresh will ensure that the client can make actionable and credible decisions based on the outputs of the files, because they'll know that it has the MedInsight quality stamp of approval.